Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Supreme Duelist Stickman. If we click on settings, here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Supreme Duelist Stickman app. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.